Hi everyone and welcome back to the exciting world of Phonemos. Today we're diving into a new powerful feature called zones, which is designed to supercharge your permission management and workflow efficiency. So what are zones? Imagine Phonemos as a vast library. The Phonemos topics here would represent the books in that library. And zones act like custom sections, like chapters within each book. Each with its own set of rules, and you can decide which user or which user group can access specific sections of your chapter, and if those users can edit, view, or administrate the content. Creating and configuring zones is very easy and straightforward in Phonemos. Just click here on the Create button and click on Create Zone. Then you can name your zone. Let's name this one Edit Zone. And here under this section, Publish Content will be shown. So if you create a Phonemos page here or drag and drop it here, then you have a link here. Under Permissions, you can restrict the access to this zone. So you can give specific groups, either the well-known View, Edit, or Manage Content permissions, or you can give it to specific users. What are use cases for zones? The first one is you're able to create special zones for confidential Phonemos pages or documents by combining zones with file stacks. So for example here, if you just click on the plus sign, you can create a file stack within the Phonemos zone. Now you can rename it as you know it, so let's call it confidential data. And then you can upload your confidential PDFs, Word documents, or PowerPoint presentation in this file stack. The second use case for Phonemos are departmental zones that provide access only to specific department groups in your company. So an example would be if you have, for example, a sales and a marketing department, so you could create a sales zone and a marketing zone. And another use case is that you can create a streamlined approval process workflow. Let's see how this works in action. For a document approval workflow, we now create 3 zones. The first one is the edit zone, which we have already created. Second one is the review zone, and the third one is the final publication zone. So let's imagine that this page would be a scientific paper, and 3 scientists are working on this Phonemos page. So they are currently in the edit process, and you could configure this zone that only those 3 scientists can access the content here and edit it. After they are finished writing their thesis, they could just drag and drop this paper into the review zone, where the copy editors have access, and then they can review the scientific paper, maybe and make some corrections. And once they are happy with the results, they can just drag and drop it into the final publication zone. And then the people who are in charge of publishing the scientific paper have access and can edit and can use the content to publish the final end result. So as you've seen, zones offer a powerful way to tailor the Phonemos experience for each user, ensuring data security, efficient workflows, and a well-organized knowledge base. Take control of your Phonemos environment by exploring the possibilities zones offer. For more information, you can visit our website at phonemos.com to start your Phonemos journey.